honor of this variety box of coffee, I've decided to do like a 12 days of coffee thing. There's 12 flavors, and so I'll drink a cup each of those days, and then we'll see how much we like it. So that's fun. I'm gonna do that pretty soon actually, so I'm gonna leave it out. And then, yeah, I need to drink more water. So I'm kind of being strict with myself because I stopped drinking. I don't drink as much water now than I did when it was hot. So I need to, this is a 750 milliliter bottle. I will probably drink one of these like over 3 or 4 days, which is bad. So I'm gonna force myself to drink at least 1 bottle a day, which is okay. We have to take baby steps. So we're gonna do baby steps with the water. Hopefully that gets easier. Also, there's like a beehive outside of our kitchen door, like under the staircase, because there's like a little compartment there. There's a beehive and it's covered in bees. Like, it's the scariest thing. I'll insert a video that my sister took yesterday of it. So we're just not using this door anymore. The lady next door said that they're all there because they're protecting the queen or something like that, and they should be gone like in about 3 to 5 days. So we're just gonna wait it out, see what happens, and we just won't use that door for 3 to 5 days. That's fine. Now it is 1 o'clock and I'm gonna have lunch. I woke up pretty late today. The baby's gone. Let me show you what I'm having. I'm having pizza. I think I'm gonna have this one. Actually, I haven't had this one before, and I have 2 of them. So yeah. Okay. So this is my lunch. I'm gonna make it in like 1 second. You ready? 1, 2. Okay, so 12 days of coffee starts now. Obviously, naturally, I'm gonna start with the flavors I think I'm not gonna like. So I think I'm gonna start with chocolate orange. It would have been nice to do like a mystery packet, like choose like with your eyes closed or something, but no. So this is what they look like, color coordinated and everything. Super cute. Don't do that. Okay, so, nope, not you. Orange. Okay, so this is the one we're doing first. Smells good. Chocolate orange. It smells so good. Here's the back of the container in case you are interested in like the nutritional information and just like a little bit more about the brand. Okay. It tastes good. The orange flavor is not really as potent as I expected. I could barely taste it. I don't hate it. Next one we're gonna do is probably coconut delights because I don't really like coconut. So yeah, that's good. Day 1 of 12 days of coffee, chocolate orange. It's flavorful. It doesn't taste like normal coffee. There's a really nice flavor in there. It's not orange because I don't like orange. I'm gonna cut myself a slice of cake. I'm gonna have some cake. Birthday cake, my aunt bought me a birthday cake. My brother-in-law bought me a birthday cake, and then my aunt bought another one, so we have 2 cakes, and the one we cut up for everyone so that everyone had a nice hefty slice. So now we have 1 left, and I'm gonna cut a slice and enjoy. Hi everyone, so it is day 2 of 12 days of coffee with Beanie. I think today's flavor is coconut delight. Obviously I'm getting the ones that I don't seem sure about out of the way first. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm only gonna have it when I come back. I should probably have it now because it's 1 o'clock. That way it's out of my system by the time I go to bed. So yeah, let's go make some coffee. Okay, so day 2 of 12 days of coffee. This is the coffee I'm having. So we're doing coconut delight today. Yeah. Boiled. They're all color coded, so it's pretty easy to pick out. There you go, such cute packaging, love it. Let's do the taste test. It's hot. It's hot. If you like coconut, I mean, there's that. I'm not a fan of coconut, but it tastes really nice. The coconut definitely comes through a lot more than the orange did yesterday. Okay, let me go watch the new Ace Family video. And I'll see you guys probably tomorrow with day 3. Morning everyone. Welcome to 12 days of coffee with Beanie. Let's go downstairs and make our coffee because I need to start filming for another video. Okay, you guys, so right off the bat, I didn't like the smell of the coffee when I poured the water. It was very minty. Not a huge minty fan. This is, oh, I forgot to put sugar. Okay, taste test. Oh, I don't like that. It's very minty. Ugh, no. That's my least favorite of all of them. Okay. More sugar definitely made it better, but I still don't like, I'm not a minty. Like mint chocolate, it's nice. I just wouldn't pick it off the menu, you know? And I think I should write down the flavors in terms of how I'm gonna go from here because the rest are amazing. Well, they sound amazing.